In today's video, we'll be talking about some of the best places to turn to for car insurance. Here are the top 5 best car insurances of 2022. Not every auto insurance provider is the same. To understand more about drivers' experiences with auto insurance, we polled more than 10,000 of them. We paid particular attention to important factors like customer service, claims processing, and brand loyalty. We evaluated the top vehicle insurance providers of 2022 using that information to help you choose the best. Our statistics from 2022 show that USAA is the finest auto insurance provider. However, only military personnel may purchase its insurance policies. If that doesn't apply to you, State Farm, which ranks number 2 in our research, is your next best choice. We looked at pricing information as well as policyholder opinion to identify the top auto insurance providers, paying close attention to customer service, claims management, customer loyalty, and policy renewal. This list may assist you in comparing insurers for vehicle insurance depending on the criteria that are most important to you. Although USAA and State Farm are at the top of the list, one of the other 8 firms may be a better option for you. As a result, it's a good idea to research the cost of several insurers before you buy or renew your insurance. USAA. According to our ratings, USAA is the top insurance provider. Our poll from 2022 shows that USAA customers are the most satisfied, most willing to renew their insurance, and most likely to refer USAA to other drivers. In our survey, USAA had the lowest rates overall, outperforming the national average by 35%. Only those in the military community may purchase USAA insurance products such as cars, homes, and renters plans. As a result, not all motorists will qualify for coverage from this insurer. According to our 2022 analysis, USAA offers the most affordable vehicle insurance. Its yearly average rate is $1,000, which is $539 less than the national average. The most affordable rates are probably available via Geico for drivers who don't qualify for USAA coverage. The average annual premium at Geico is $1,148, which is $391 less than the national average. Remember that your rate could not match the average rate offered by an insurer. Obtaining and comparing quotes from many insurers is the greatest strategy to discover the lowest rates that are offered to you. State Farm. State Farm is number 2 in our ranking and received ratings that were above average in each of our sub-ratings, including customer loyalty and claims handling. It also performed well in our ranking of the cheapest car insurance providers for 2022. For drivers who couldn't acquire coverage with USAA, its average prices for those with less than perfect driving histories were the lowest in our assessment. If you're liking our content so far, make sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Farmers. In our rankings for claims handling and customer service, Farmers is tied for first place. In terms of customer loyalty, it's tied for second. Farmers didn't fare well as expected in this area, scoring 4.0 instead of the category average of 4.2. Nationwide. Since our 2021 study, Nationwide has climbed 2 positions and is now tied for third place. Nationwide receives above average scores in all of the sub-rating categories and ranks second in our customer loyalty and most likely to be recommended sub-ratings. Additionally, certain drivers, particularly those with a clean driving record or bad credit, might get rates from Nationwide that are below average. Geico. With average ratings across the board in areas including customer service, claims handling, and customer loyalty, Geico places third in this year's rankings. Its prices are what set it apart, earning it the number 2 place in our ranking of the cheapest car insurance providers for 2022. For juvenile and elderly drivers, as well as those with bad credit, its prices trail USAA, which is ranked the highest. Allstate. Although the firm scored somewhat below average ratings in most of our other sub-rating categories, Allstate moved up 3 points to tie for number 6 in this year's Best Car Insurance Companies rating and is placed number 4th in our most likely to be recommended sub-rating. Although Allstate's rates are among the highest in our survey, certain drivers, such as those with a history of speeding tickets, may qualify for a reasonable rate. Travelers. Travelers also made some progress this year, climbing 2 positions to tie for the 6th slot. Despite having a worse customer service rating than 7 other insurers in our survey, Travelers ranks first in the category for claims handling and third in the category for renewal likelihood. Also scoring above average for insurance renewal, Travelers provides rates that are often cheaper than the national average. Progressive. In our study, Progressive is ranked 8th. Customers are usually happy with how simple it is to open a policy, but Progressive comes in last in our Best for Customer Loyalty category and has below average ratings across the board. Additionally, Progressive consumers claim that they're less inclined to repurchase insurance or refer the company to other motorists. However, those with a DUI could be able to use Progressive's funds. In our investigation, its rate for those drivers are among the lowest. AAA. New to our list of the best car insurance companies, AAA is tied for 8th place with Progressive. In every area we looked at, it scored below average. It did, however, surpass Allstate, Farmers, Progressive, and American Family to claim the number 6 place in our most likely to be renewed sub-rating. Although AAA had the highest average rates in our survey, drivers should get a quotation to see whether their particular rate is more affordable. Well, that about wraps up this video, which we hope you guys had a blast watching. We'll catch you later in the next one.